My name is Gordon Twilegar, and I'm Vice President of Global Information Services.
Dead or alive, who would you like to sit next to at a dinner party?
Probably George Washington.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Why?
Just to get a better understanding of, why they laid down, the Constitution the way they laid it down.
And as you look forward to the future, where do you see PAC in 5 years?
I see us winning and being a major force in the flexible packaging industry. I think that PAC as a team will be something to really talk about. I spend a lot of time coaching young people in my family and family friends, and they're like, I don't know what I want to be. I don't know what I want to do. I tell them, pick the thing that's going to meet your goals. If you have financial goals, you have life goals, pick something and realize that you can always reinvent yourself every 5 to 7 years, and that will not put you behind. You don't have to do the same thing your entire career. You can reinvent, which sometimes means going back to school or learning, become a master of something. It takes 5 to 7 years to become a master at anything. But if you're committed to becoming a master at one thing, then you can do at least 7 more of those.